What about Robbie from Premier Lawns Lawn Care Company based in Belfast, Northern Ireland. Milwaukee, UK have been watching my show and they asked would I be interested in having a go with some of their gear. So they very kindly sent me this set of Hedge trimmers. This is the M18 battery powered Hedge trimmers from Milwaukee, UK. Just want to thank Milwaukee, UK for making this video possible. So stick around. So let's have a quick look. Brushless motors. This one set of batteries runs off all these different machines here. You can get a blower, the hedge trimmers, strimmer, saws, drills, even lights down here with radios, blowers, grinders, all sorts of machines just off this one battery. Really good system. And then our hedge trimmer cuts up to 2 hours per charge, and it cuts the branches up to 20 mil. So got 2 batteries with it. So just a quick thanks again to Milwaukee UK for sending me this hedge cutter and making this video possible. To everyone else, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.